Welcome to the latest edition of Rambam News. Today we're going to showcase some of the interesting stories coming out of Rambam Healthcare Campus. According to the World Health Organization, drowning is the world's third leading cause of accidental death. A research team led by Professor Mohir Hamaisi, Director of the Department of Internal Medicine D and member of the Clinical Research Institute at Rambam, conducted the largest, most comprehensive study to date regarding kidney damage in near-drowning patients immersed in seawater. The team concluded that the main cause of the kidney damage appeared to be a temporary lack of oxygen combined with the victim's physiological fight-or-flight response. Based on their research, Professor Hamaisi and his team recommend further studies on near-drowning patients at risk for developing acute kidney injury. A new first-time in Israel surgical procedure using technology that combines optical navigation, computer processing and special positioning sensors has been carried out recently at Rambam's hip surgery service. During the course of the surgery, the computerized optical navigation system enables the exact angles in which the surgeon's work is viewed on screen, restoring the optimal position for each patient. And now on to Rambam's international news. First up from Atlanta, Georgia, Rambam recently partnered with Georgia Institute of Technology affiliate, the Global Center for Medical Innovation. This partnership will bridge medtech innovation from Haifa, Israel to the US. This platform will facilitate Rambam companies' access to knowledge and commercial pathways on their way to the US healthcare market. The venture was made possible through the support of the Consulate General of Israel to the Southeast, Kenig, and Metro Atlanta Chamber of Commerce. Rambam Director and CEO Professor Rafi Biar attended the ceremony in Atlanta, stating, "Both sides, Israel and Atlanta, will profit. We can benefit greatly from the depth of knowledge and experience to transform Israeli technology from the local to international industry. Our US partners have access to Israeli innovation, and we will be able to harness it for the benefit of consumers in the USA." Our second international news story comes to us from Melbourne, Australia, where the Association of the Australian Friends of Rambam, in cooperation with the Maccabi Cycling Club, held a bicycle ride for Rambam. 80 people, including Mr. Mark Sofer, Israel's ambassador to Australia, cycled 50 kilometers to raise awareness of groundbreaking research in prediction and prevention of sudden cardiac death in children and young adults. Funds raised during the event will help to benefit heart patients by having all clinical and surgical treatments and healthy living programs, including patient counseling and rehabilitation at Rambam's Eyal Ofer Heart Hospital. And our final story, Professor Rafi Biar, Director and CEO of Rambam, and Dr. Mickey Halbertal, Deputy Director, participated in a ceremony held recently in Toronto, Canada, in which the University of Haifa granted an honorary PhD to Dr. Michael Baker, a world-renowned cancer researcher whose discoveries assisted with better understanding of leukemia and other types of cancers. During the course of this festive evening, Dr. Baker spoke of his support for the Helmsley Health Discovery Tower, a joint project between Rambam and the university. This project, which will be established on campus, is unprecedented in its scope and will include medical research and biomedical industries. That's all for this edition of Rambam News. Thank you for watching, and be sure to find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. See you on our next edition.